Yeah, they're not open yet.
12 seconds later.
And you don't need quarters. As long as you have a drink in your hand, you get unlimited lives in every game. This place is sick. I tried going up. I'm really bad at this. Hang on. I'm used to games being easy, you know? There's a line of them. I'm screwed. I cornered myself. We done. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Great throw! Nice spare!
Lefty.
Next is the slow roll.
That's curving too much. Let's go, 2 pins! Let's go! That's too fast. You, my guy. Wait, Robert, what's that centipede from? Do you have any idea?
I think it's the millipede.
Robert's like in love with this off-road arcade game. I don't really know why. My battery's gonna die though, so we gotta hurry this up. Come on, Robert. Let's go. So I've never played Dig Dog. We're gonna try it. What do I do? Oh, you start. Don't you like kill them or something? Or what are you trying to do? What do you do?
Alright, you're digging around, getting to the enemies. Once you're in the same path as them, you can shoot them and fill them up with air until they explode.
How do you do that? What?
Buttons. Pump, pump is attack.
Pump is stopping me. That's
yeah.
Wait, see if...
Alright, aim up, aim up, aim up. Go up there, aim, shoot. Pump the button. Keep going, keep going. Ah, didn't work.
That's a stupid game.
Mama!
Don't walk under that boulder. You're gonna die.
Oh, I thought it was something funny. Uh-oh. Did you hear it too?
Yeah. Alright, let me try.
Good. How are you this good, my guy? That's what those things are. Oh, you gotta wait. You lost that. Boom, frogger. Okay, we're done. All right. There we go. We got it. I'm gonna play till I die now.
Alright. Well,
That's such a nice cabinet.
coin. Go for it.
Why was you?
I didn't mean to.
I got it. Level 1. That's obvious. That was really cool. Oh,
Oh
dude,
my
the face
God.
he did when I landed on him, he was like,
That one's hurt. Oh my god.
wait, the thing that falls from the top when you come back to life, that's like Smash Bros. Is that like,
Get that?
I'll take this guy, you pick him. Oh, he got so angry. I went the wrong way. You went above him. See how he like falls in?
Oh yeah, I think that is.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I walked right into it. Just don't have any more lives.
He bit me too. The turtle straight up opened his mouth to
They have
kill
little
me.
animations. They're
He's trying to
slight, but they're
murder
definitely there. Wait, first?
Oh, we got a high score.
These have to reset all the time.
got a high score.
No, that's not a high score. We beat like 4 levels.
We got. It doesn't matter. We got a high score.
Whatever. We'll check that off.
It
the
counts.
list. Sure.
All right.
We'll count it. Whatever.
Hey.
Game hard in our off times.
Yeah.
What's the go-to game?
So people get really competitive with the Mortal Kombat. Definitely staff competitive for that one. I like to stick to more simple games, more like, I mean, not that game's super hard, but I like playing just like some Dick Dug and stuff like that.
Can you tell us a little bit about the duckpin leagues, like what that's like on during that kind of time?
So we're actually like starting sign up around now for that. So I haven't really experienced much of the leagues, but I'm excited for it. I think it'll be fun.